Hi, my name is Sarah. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. I would love it if you hit subscribe, like, and even leave a comment on this video. Trying to grow here, so every little bit helps. Love that. Anyway, today I'm going to do a Dior unboxing. I went to a little event the other night. They hold these quite often in the stores. You know, they do a little canapé, they do some champagne, and you do a little bit of shopping, and it's great. It's not, they say VIP nights, but it's not just for the VIPs. They do invite their clients, but you know, if you're walking by, they let you in. Like, it's not like an exclusive event, but they're fun, you know, and you get to pick up some really cool little like gift packs and freebies. So I picked up some goodies for me and my daughter, because, you know, girl wants a freebie, so I wanted to hit, you know, a couple of those little freebie markers. So this is the bag. She's put it in that beautiful packaging for me, which I absolutely love. J'adore les adorer. That's wrong. You know that's wrong. I cannot speak French, and I will butcher the French, what's it called? You know, accent. Yeah, I butcher it. I'm an Aussie, I'm an Ocker, and that's just how I sound. Anyway, I haven't actually seen this yet. So it was described to me, but I haven't actually seen it. Box is a little damaged, but that's probably my fault. Together, shall we? Oh my God, you can smell it already. Ooh, that's like a felt. That's quite nice, just to keep this all looking pretty. Excuse you. How beautiful. What we've got here is, I mean, if you've been into a Dior shop, learn to word, Sarah, you've probably seen these, but the bigger ones that they have out on display. So this here is, I think this is the shimmering oil. So this is like the after shower oil. Look how shimmery that is. I might swatch that. Then this one is the moisturizer, and they smell like the J'adore as well. So that's the moisturizer. This is just gonna look so pretty sitting in my bathroom. And this is a shimmer scrub. They all smell like J'adore, and it is beautiful. Look at that. I've always wanted these, but could never justify buying them. So I didn't know they came in a little pack like this. And I have to tell you, I believe it was around $220. I'm gonna say $220, but I will put on the screen exactly how much. I don't gatekeep, I don't hide. It is what it is. I spend what I spend, and you know what, it's my fucking money. So oops, I shouldn't swear. It's my money. I do what I want. So anyway, let's have a look at this up close. And it's hard to do the shimmer on my tats. I'll try and do it on this chubby arm over here and see what she looks like. That's pretty. Oh, I'm a wanker. Look at that. You can't see. You can't see that. Who do I think I am? I'm gonna put it on my tat arm. If it shines through the tats and it makes the tats shine, we loves it. We loves it. It's nice. I hope you can see that. Like, I'm getting better at filming, I think. Look at my hand. I'm getting better at filming, but you know, like, I ain't no influencer. It is what it is, you know. It's just pretty. Imagine that, like, just on your décolleté. Like to have a feel of this little scrub. Ooh. She's scrubby. She's a scrub. I'll have a feel of that. Might as well. Oh, yeah, it's a little sandy. Hear that? She's got a bit of oil in her. She's got those little sandy bits. Oh, Now I'm rooted, aren't I? I want to touch things and I've got shit all over me. I'm smart. You're going to figure that out. I am smart. So anyway, ooh, came off nicely. I didn't wash that off though. All right, so let's have a feel of the moisturizer. I love a Dior moisturizer. Ooh, she's thick. Sarah! She's thick. Look at that. Look at that. She's thick. Let's just put her here. Just put a little bit. Oh, she doesn't have a strong smell. I suppose if you're going to put the shimmering oil on as well. Oh, it's nice. Exactly what I'd expect from Dior. It's nice. Dries. Oh, it dries nicely. That's just gone straight into the skin. Perfect. So that's a cute little gift. Like if you're looking for a little birthday gift for someone or just something for yourself, I mean, you can't go wrong with stuff like this. I mean, for Dior skincare, it's very affordable. I love it. So that can go down. So my essay put these aside for me so I could have first picks. I think these were left over. They're not new, like you'll notice that they're not new, but she had them left over and she just wanted to make sure that, like, I know she offered them to me once before and I was like, but then she offered them to me again and I was like, yeah, obviously I've got to have them. So I've grabbed one for myself and one for my daughter. This one's for me. It is a lipstick case. I do have quite a few of these. It's just a refillable case. So you actually buy the lipstick, which I'll show you in a minute, that goes in here. I got this one because it goes with this bag here. Like you can see how pretty. I mean, this has got silver and that's gold, but you can see, hopefully you can see that bag. It goes with that bag there. So I absolutely loved this. Like, oh, it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So I got that for myself, and then I got one for my daughter that she picked. She wanted this, so she got this for herself. Well, I got this for her. You know how it is with daughters. So she just loved the hot pink. Like, is that not like so beautiful? And then because I've got a few of the lipsticks that actually go in the refills, she chose a lipstick. Unfortunately, the ones that she wanted weren't in stock, unfortunately, but we've put the names aside, so next time I go in, I'll be able to get them for her. So this is how they come. So they come in this standard refill, and then like this. So this is them. Then you get to keep this, of course, so you can put, if you just want a plain day, or put any other lipstick in that, but this is how they come. It is still a beautiful case, and then you have the lipstick here. And that's a lipstick. I won't swatch it because it is hers, but I will show you how it goes. Oh, I think I've picked up mine. Oh no, I picked up hers. So that's it there, and then you just pop your refill in there, and that's how it looks. Pretty, huh? Chair is pissing me off. Got two of these, one for me, one for my daughter. My daughters tend to, like, I've got to take it in turns who gets to come to these things with me, because they know that if they come with me, then they get to get whatever they want. So it was my youngest daughter's turn to come with me, so then she got to pick up a couple of things. So that's kind of how it works, because I can't take them both all the time. So it all depends on, you know, who gets to come and take it. They're both spoiled. Let's just say they're spoiled, okay? So anyway, whoops. This is one of the things I had on for the nights. It's just a limited edition case, and it's got their balm. So this is their hands, lips, and body balm. So it's not the like moisturizer, but it comes in a key ring. So if you have a look, so you can put this on your bag. I'm not sure what bag I'll put it on. It might go all right on this black one. Maybe, I don't know. Might not wear it as a keychain, but anyway. And it pops out, so you can just, that's it there. there's the balm. It's just a nice like hand balm. Like, I use this a lot. So, you know, once you run out of this, they all fit in this. So you can just reuse this. Wasn't mad on the color, like, meaning, you know, I wasn't like overly excited about it because it is quite pink. But I am a collector, so I do collect pretty much everything Dior, like makeup especially related. And yeah, like, I just had to have this, and it's got the line on it that I have here. So I mean, that's actually kind of cute. I'd do that. So not that I'd want to get any of this on that bag because disaster. So I got 2 of them. Obviously, like I said, one for me, one for my daughter. That's all I purchased. But wait till you see the little freebies I got. Are we ready? How cute. How stinking cute. I mean, I know it's just like the little J'adore bottle, but with a little like gold flower. But oh my goodness, it's so stinking cute in this packaging. Like, seriously, adorable. I just love it. And then this is so cute. Everything's cute. You know me, everything's cute. So anyway, I actually love this. I'm 100% going to use. It's one of those phone cord, you know, things that go around your body and you put it in your phone. So it's got like this part goes into your phone case and then comes out, and then these 2 are little J'adore charms. Hello, are they not adorable? Can you see them properly? I love it. So I'll get my phone and I'll be able to wear this, and it's adjustable too, so you can just pull it through this here, and then yeah, it just goes around, and then it just, your phone just sits hanging off it, like, you know, so when you're just like busy and you're running around, get your phone. It's so pretty. I saw this, I'm like, okay, how much do I need to spend to get that? Because I'm getting that. And I think the minimum spend to get this was like, oh, like $200 or $250 or something. Like, it wasn't even much. As you can see, I didn't spend a lot of money. But you know, I did pick up a couple of little keepsake things, you know, that I like little collect things, and these are the little collector things. I just love them. So anyway, that's my little Dior haul. I'll have another one probably next week because, like I said, I'm going to a Dior facial in Chadstone. I've had them before in various like hotels, like the City, and at my High Point store, and, you know, hotels there. But I haven't been to the one in Chadstone. So when I went in there and I met the girls, they're like, oh, you know, come back, you know, we'll invite you to come and do it here. So I'm like, yeah, sure, like, why not, like, give it a go. So yeah, I'm gonna go back over and do I think it goes for an hour and a half or something. Usually they have like champagne canapes. The room's always set up so beautifully. I actually think I might have a video or a short up of of one that I've done previously. And yeah, so I really enjoy them, and I get to try like anything new, like that UV. I think that's new, and I think they've got some new under eye patches which I've just seen on Instagram, so I want to give them a go as well. So anyway, that's my video. If you've made it all to the way to the end, put a little perfume bottle in the comments. I would love that. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe because I really want to do more of this, and I really hope you've enjoyed it. Any questions, anythings, any comments, any critiques, anythings, as long as it's polite, I'll take it on board. Thank you very much for watching, and ciao bye.